and I'm not going to. Up. Target locked. Engage. Not on my watch. Prepare to be disassembled.
Hey guys, if you're wondering how to create these premium AI videos, let me show you exactly how I did it. First of all, don't scroll away just because you hear the name Flow AI. This tool is actually super powerful, and I'm going to show you why. I created this video 100% using Flow AI, and as you can see, the results look almost like Seedance 2.0 level. Super clean, cinematic, and high quality. Now, if you do have a budget, I'd recommend using Seedance 2.0 with Higgsfield for the absolute best quality. But today, we're focusing on the free method using Flow AI. First, go ahead and sign up on Flow AI. It's part of Google Labs, so it's pretty reliable. And here's something crazy. When you sign up for the first time, you actually get 180 free credits, which honestly, most other tools don't provide. Once you're inside, click on New Project. Here, you'll see this option. Click on that. Now you'll see two options, image and video. Go ahead and select video. Now turn on the ingredients option. Next, choose your video format. Use 9:16 for Reels. Use 16:9 for YouTube long videos. Now let's talk about credits. You also get 50 free credits daily. And here's a little trick. You can use temporary emails to create multiple accounts and keep using it for free. For quality settings, don't use quality mode. It costs too many credits. Select fast mode. It's free and still gives great results. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. I personally generate my prompts using ChatGPT. Just describe your scene like you're explaining it to a friend. For example, what happens from 0 to 5 seconds? What happens from 5 to 10 seconds? Also include things like face consistency, cinematic lighting, smooth motion. Now here's something really important that most people miss. I've already created around 3 to 4 videos using this method. Some of them turned out great, and honestly, some didn't. And you might notice this too. The audio quality is fine, but the lip sync isn't always perfect. So how do you fix that? When you're writing your prompt, make sure to include the exact dialogue your character should speak. For example, what your avatar is saying, what tone or style of voice you want. Just tell ChatGPT clearly, write dialogue for my character based on this scene. This helps improve lip sync and makes the video feel way more realistic. So yeah, just keep these small things in mind while creating your prompt, and your results will improve a lot. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into Flow AI. Click the plus icon to upload your image. Finally, hit the generate button. Wait a few seconds, and your video will be ready. Now, one more thing. If you want to use Seedance 2.0 completely for free, I'm going to upload a dedicated video on that soon. No doubt, it's an amazing tool. But for now, we're focusing on free methods. You can also try Meta AI, and I'll show you another alternative in the next video.
Make sure to subscribe
And press the bell icon so you don't miss it. Try it out and let me know what kind of videos you create.